What's up everyone, this is Pixel P, and today I'm going to showcase my OpenAudio S1 Mini to Unity Bridge. This bridge connects the OpenAudio S1 Mini self-hosted server to Unity, allowing for inference with the model directly in the editor. If you don't know what OpenAudio is, then here's a quick rundown. OpenAudio S1 Mini is a highly advanced, free, and open-source text-to-speech commercial solution, meaning you can make money from the things you make with this model or put the outputs in your games. You can get the bridge from my Ko-Fi shop for only $10. Once purchased, you'll receive a zip file containing the required assets. Extract the zip file into your project and wait for everything to load in. You should then see a new menu item under Tools. From Tools, select OpenAudio S1 Mini TTS from the menu and dock the window to the left or right side of your screen. Now that you have your window docked, let's go through the options. The URL field is where you place the URL to your hosted OpenAudio server. The text field is obviously where you type what you want the model to say. API key doesn't really matter unless you're connecting to someone else's server on the web. Chunk is how much the model processes at a given time. Max new tokens is how many tokens you want to allow the model to process. 0 is unlimited. Tuppy is how intense the tonality of the voice could be. Temperature is how random the output should be. Repetition penalty reduces or increases repetition. Use memory cache can possibly help reduce bottlenecks. Reference text is the transcription of your source voice. Reference audio is the source voice to do TTS with. Normalize normalizes either text or output. The documentation isn't very clear on this for OpenAudio. Output folder is whatever asset folder you set it to so it can save the outputs there. Alright, now that we know what everything is, let's run an example. Navigate to our extracted OpenAudio S1 Mini folder, then Voices, then Example Voices. I'll choose Female for this example. Drag and drop the reference voice and reference text assets where they belong, then you're ready to go. Type what you want to say and then click Generate Audio. Once it's done generating, you can play the result back in the window and use the generated audio asset in your games and projects.
Hello world!
It's as simple as that. Please subscribe to keep up to date with my work, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye guys!